How to activate your Costco Citi card in 1 minute. Hey guys, welcome back. If you would like to activate your Costco Citi card, in today's video, we will be guiding you very easily. So for that, what you can do is you can head over to Citi.com banking application, the website. And once you are there, all you gotta do is look out for the sign in option usually located in the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it. And once you tap on it, you will be led towards the section where you can use your user ID and your password in order to log in into Citi.com. Now, here in this page right here, we will be finding different options. We have forgot user ID, forgot password, and right below it, we have in section an option called activate a card. You can use this option right here. So you can tap on this option, and then once you tap on it, you will be taken to online.citi.com. So you can wait for this page to load up, first of all. And then once you are here, you can just go ahead and provide in the details of the Costco Citi card, which is your credit card or debit card number here. You can enter your card number without any dashes or spaces. After that, then you can continue the process and go on with the verification process. Just go ahead and enter every details they will be asking. And once it completes, you should be able to activate your Costco Citi card easily. And that is it. So therefore, you may also follow up the same process if you would like to activate your Costco Citi card following up those methods. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.